And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create this cross logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let us make sure on the view that our smart guides and only snap to point is activated. We want to have a black fill for now and no stroke color. And we will start with the rectangle tool. Just drag a random rectangle. Something like this should be fine. Press V for the selection tool, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, hold Shift and rotate it. Select it all and use the line menu. We've got our basic cross. Select it all and let me size it down a little bit, holding Shift and Alt. Now use the shape builder to connect the shapes. Now we'll go to Object, Path and Offset Path. Click on Preview. I think 10 pixels should be good here. I click on OK. And now I'll repeat the process. I always have 10 pixels and I do that 5 times. Check, and it was the 4th time, so once more, path, offset path. It's the 5th time and I've got the basic. So we've got 6 of these crosses now with an offset path of 10 pixels. Let us use the rectangle tool again. I drag a random rectangle. Let me change the fill color to red for now. And we will go over to the width. Up here, press Ctrl A to select it all. Make it 10 pixels, the size of the offset. Hold Shift and rotate it 45 degrees. And Alt, drag a copy out of it, rotate it again 90 degrees, select them both and align them as well. That covers these diagonal lines. Let me create another rectangle and I change the fill color to yellow for now. Hold Shift when you do that and you've got this square. Rotate it once again 45 degrees, holding Shift and align it to the center. Select it all, you can see all of the lines that we've got now. I want to make it a bit bigger, the yellow one, so I select it again, hold Shift and Alt when I resize it. It's still not big enough. Let me zoom in and you can see I want to have it right there, that it only affects the outer cross. Alright, let me drag a copy out of this red one over here. We can use that later on to create more of these lines, create a custom design. Let me select it all and now I use the shape builder tool. At first I used white color to create the inner cross. Simply drag over it with the left mouse button. I hold Alt and I get rid of these outer shapes. We don't need all of that. And now the color selection and the shapes or the pattern that we're using is just a matter of taste. Let me try this green. I'll create the second cross. And now I use these diagonal lines. When you make a mistake, just press Ctrl Z to undo the last step. The outer cross should have the same color as the inner one. And the diagonal lines, so I can connect these to one shape. Maybe this green is not the right color, it's a little bit too bright. Let me go darker. That's too dark. I'll choose this one. Now we can use our red rectangle over here and we can place it on our cross. Press Ctrl Y for the outline mode to position it correctly. Just zoom in. and press Ctrl 0 to zoom out. Or drag a copy out of it, position 1 at the bottom. Afterwards, drag another copy out of it, rotate it 90 degrees. And we will place 2 more to the left and right. As I've said, you can use patterns to your liking to create a unique design. I'm just going to show you the basic process. So once again, the inner cross, it remains this green color. I already had that. And now I want to create more connections with the same color. And obviously, if you hold Alt, you need to get rid of the outer red shapes. We don't need that. Can group it, and now we've got our cross logo finished in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.